Today, I'll show you how to send videos on Gmail. If you want to send a video through Gmail, the first thing to know is that Gmail supports normal file attachments, but there is a size limit. For personal Gmail accounts, Google says the attachment limit is 25 megabytes. If your total attachment size is larger than that, Gmail automatically switches to a Google Drive link instead of sending the video as a regular attachment. Let's start with the easiest method. Open Gmail and begin a new message by tapping Compose. Add the recipient, type your subject line, and then tap the attachment icon. From there, choose the video file from your phone or device. On mobile, Gmail lets you attach files directly in the app, so if your video is small enough, you can send it like a normal attachment without any extra steps. Google's Gmail help confirms that attachments work this way on both Android and iPhone or iPad. Now, if your video file is too large, Gmail usually handles that automatically. Google says that when the file goes over the size limit, Gmail removes the oversized attachment and adds it as a Google Drive link in the email instead. That means the person receiving your message can open the file through Drive instead of downloading it directly from the attachment area. You can also do this manually, which is often the better option for longer or higher quality videos. Upload the video to Google Drive first, then open Gmail and insert the file from Drive when you write your email. Google's official Gmail help says you can attach Drive files in a message and choose how to send them, including as a Drive link. One helpful thing to remember is that larger videos from modern phones can easily go over the normal attachment limit. So if Gmail does not let you attach the file directly, that usually means the video needs to be shared through Drive instead. This is the most practical way to send full-length videos without lowering the quality too much. That follows directly from Google's 25 megabyte limit and Drive link behavior. And that's how to send videos on Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.